Are you wondering how to sign up for Medicare? In this video, I'm going to explain step by step how to sign up for Medicare A and B. Hey guys, Alex Winder here, founder of Blue Wave Insurance Services, where we help folks across the country with their Medicare and retirement needs. So before we dive into the enrollment process, let's quickly recap what Medicare is. Medicare is broken into a few different parts. There is Part A and Part B that make up original Medicare. Also, there is Part D, prescription drug plans, and Part C, Medicare Advantage plans. And there are also Medicare supplement plans known as Medigap plans. In this video, we will only discuss the enrollment for original Medicare A and B. If you are looking for information on enrolling to an Advantage or a supplement plan, give us a call at the number below, or you can book an appointment with us using the link in the description below. So the first step in signing up for Medicare is to ensure that you're eligible. Generally, you're eligible for Medicare if you are 65 or older, or if you are under 65 and qualify through a disability. Once you have confirmed that you're eligible for Medicare, the next step is to know when to enroll. There are several enrollment periods when you can join Medicare depending on your situation. So let's cover the most common ones. The number one most common enrollment period with Medicare is the initial enrollment period, which starts 3 months before you turn 65, includes the month you turn 65, and lasts for 3 more months. So that's a total of 7 months. For example, if you turn 65 in April, your initial enrollment period would start in January and end in July. The second most common enrollment period is coming off a group plan due to employment ending, such as retirement, either through yourself or a spouse. This enrollment period is called a special enrollment period. During this time, you have 8 months to sign up for Medicare Part B, once your employer ends and you stop working. We do recommend that you get the Medicare Part B sign-up process started 1 to 2 months before you stop working, so there's no gap in coverage. If you happen to have missed your initial enrollment period and you don't qualify for a special enrollment period, then you can sign up for Medicare Part B during the general election period, which runs each year between January 1st and March 31st. The coverage would start the first of the following month that you sign up. Now let's talk about how to actually sign up for Medicare A and B when you're turning 65. The easiest way is to sign up on SSA.gov. So you simply go to SSA.gov, click the little Medicare icon at the top, and then you click Sign Up for Medicare. On the next page, you'll click Apply Now, and you'll follow the simple step-by-step instructions on the screen to get your application going for Medicare A and B. Alternatively, you can call Social Security at their office, 800-772-1213, to enroll over the phone. Also, if you like doing things the old-fashioned way in person, you can go to the local Social Security office and apply in person. You may want to try and schedule an appointment ahead of time first to save yourself some time. Now let's talk about how to enroll in just Medicare Part B if you're coming off a group employer plan and you're past the age of 65 due to delaying your Medicare Part B. So you would go to the SSA.gov website, and then under Medicare, click Sign Up for Medicare. Then you would click on Sign Up for Part B only, and under Submit Application, you would click Start Application. Once you have that application up, you will see you'll need to fill in all the required information. Also, you have to upload required documents to prove you had employment coverage, such as a letter from your employer, W-2, pay stubs, health insurance cards, etc. There's a list of acceptable documents at the bottom of the application. Also, you could call into Social Security at 800-772-1213 to enroll into Part B only over the phone. Also, we do recommend putting in your requested effective date for Part B in the remarks section on the application, so they know when you want to start your Part B, and you can ensure there's no gap in coverage between Medicare and your employer coverage ending. Once you have the application filled out and documents attached, you will click Sign at the bottom of the application. If a different situation applies to you other than the ones we discussed, we do recommend calling Social Security directly. Again, 800-772-1213 is the number to Social Security, and they will help you get enrolled into Medicare. Once you are ready to compare plan options, give us a call at the number below, or you can set an appointment with us using the link in the description below. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe below to stay updated on all things Medicare and the latest changes. We look forward to assisting you. Stay healthy and take care.